hi YouTube, GC is back, Ganesh Chandra is back, and welcome to my channel, that is I love electronics. So begin for today, and I hope you like my last video, and thank you for all support. And this is going to be a second video on my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how the different components of electronics can be combined in a circuit so that we can get some output, right? So let's begin. So today if you just want to learn the basics, basic circuit fabrication, and you want to make some good stuff by using some different components, so that so you should use, first of all, try to fabricate a circuit which is basically a power supply circuit, right? So today I'm going to show you example, and I'm going to show you that how we will get some output, and simple fabrication skills you need. And during making this project, you will I'm sure that your skills of fabrication will be increased, right? So this is going to be a basic project, and this is basically a power supply circuit fabricated on a PCB, printed circuit board. This is a zero size PCB, right? So let's start for this project. If we talk about the input of the circuit, this is going to be start from this side, which is input wire is there, right? And output will be on this side, right? These sides, and this is output of 12 volt, this is output of 5 volt. So there is a plug, right? And you have to insert this plug in the power socket of your home, right? So transformer, this is a step down transformer, and basically it will step down the voltage, AC voltage, which is coming in your household to 12 volt, 12 0 12, right? So if you just combine these two blue wires, you will get the AC voltage of 24 volt, and if you just combine only one white wire and a blue wire, there will be a voltage of 12 volt of AC, right? After that, I have used these structures, these cylindrical rod like structure, black and white combination. These are diodes, and the work of these diodes are for the rectification of AC voltage. The AC voltage, the conversion of AC voltage into DC voltage is called a rectification. And voltage which is coming out of this transformer, this transformer, I have used this bridge rectifier so that AC voltage will be converted into DC voltage, right? And because when at the time there is a conversion, there are still some ripples and noise left in that DC voltage. So we have used these cylindrical light structure, which are basically electrolyte capacitor, and their work is basically to filter the DC voltage, right? DC voltage, so that we can get pure, or you can say better DC voltage, right? After that, there is a these are IC integrated circuits, and this IC is 7812, which means it will converts the input into 12 volt of DC, right? And this is 7805 IC, which means it will take the input of 12 to 9 volt of DC, and it will convert that DC voltage into 5 volt of AC, 5 volt of DC voltage, right? And this you can see the LED, and there is small resistor also in the circuit, So basically this LED and resistor is in this circuit because many times many times we can in this circuit we cannot see their voltages, by using any, without using any equipment. You cannot say that this circuit is working or not. So we use an indicator circuit. That means if you just when we just plug in the circuit, we will get to know that circuit is working if the LED is glowing, right? And there is a switch also, power on, power off, power on, power off. Switch is also there, right? And this is a PCB, and this is a USB female jack, so that you can charge a mobile phone also, right? So let's begin. I will show you how it's work practically, right? So today for showing that, I am just going to use my friend, that is as I told you in previous video, multimeter and extension board and other equipments, right? Let's start. Let me just set up all these things. So here we go. Let me show you. Just let me take this camera so that I can show you. Here you can see this is a extension board, and the LED, right now the LED is not glowing, and I am just going to power on this circuit, right? So I have just power on the I have just given the supply to the extension board, and this supply is going to the transformer, and all these small equipments are working, right? After this, when I'm just trying to press this button, you will see the red LED will be glowing. You can see the red LED is glowing. That means power is going to be to the output circuit. So I'm just using these knobs so that I can show you this. Right now the multimeter is showing 0, right? So this is going to be a 12 volt. So you can see that 12.6061 voltage is there, right? That we are getting some output voltage. And if you just talk about this second one, that is a 5 volt. So you can see that 5 volt, 5.3, 5.17, 5.16 volt of DC is there, right? That means that this circuit can be used to charge your device which is having 12 volt, as well as the device which can be charged by 5 volt of DC voltage, right? So this is all for today. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and love you all. Bye.